To me, this is such a great opportunity. It's my first field school, and I'm sold. I believe that this is the way to go. Experiential learning, we meet each other not only as a learners and teacher and professor in a closed area, but we learn as a human being. We learn from our heart and our mind. I think this is so rich.
I'm constantly reading about how the environment and how society can have this relationship, but it's always been me drawing those connections and seeing how my disciplines can try and interact. And being on a field school, you don't have to struggle to make those connections. Those connections are what you're living.
I found here, I'm less concerned about grades and less concerned about my personal success and more concerned about how I'm impacting the community. So it's less of just a teacher-student relationship and more of a student into the community relationship. It's not just this selfish endeavor, but it's actually something that you can eventually relate to, change you're gonna make in the real world.